Okay, so this was supposed to be a light was the point. It was meant to be an actor, so let's drag the actor there. And now, can we add that actor to that? No, I don't think we can. We should be able to. Nice, it's under blueprint actors. Oh gosh, I've forgotten where he said to go. Forgotten where he said to go. Tell you what, I'm just gonna watch his tutorial and get back up to that because I think I might have forgotten a step, and then I will play. Okay, so the way he's saying to do this is BP actor was not the default folder, it's the one he has to create. So if I go ahead, can I undo once I've saved it? Let's see. Undo, clicking, yeah, you can. Okay, so let's get rid of this. Till this one here goes. I don't know if you can see it, it's a wireframe on the screen. I can only kind of tilt it so much towards you. Yeah, great. I don't think, might because it should. Can't undo after loading that. Fair enough. Okay, so I might just manually have to delete this thing. It's not the template floor, it is, gosh, this is not. Ah, there we go. Let's delete you. Edit, delete. Okay, let's zoom out. And right, we go into the BP actors. Right click, and this is where he did it. So we need to do that, I think, the other way around. So we're in the folder, and you go to Window, and then to Developers is actually under Editor Modes. No, View. Sorry, it's there, it's further down. Developer Tools, and then to Class Viewer. So under General, it's kind of moved around. And placed it in, I think. Yeah, I think so. So is it possible to just drag it here? No, it's not, because it's not accepted it there. Undo that. Blueprint class. That's exactly what he was asking for. Okay, so we're doing it in there, and that's where we want to put it in that folder. So work around, fingers crossed. This is now let us do what we want. It's now going to be a tree that lights up, but it's something else actually, but yeah, we'll leave that for now. Many very bizarre ideas. We've got the actor in there, and it was then, that is the actor. Actor's in there, it gets its own little window, and there we go, it's automatically inherited. That might be okay, because what we wanted from there was not actually, it's already self-contained is what I'm saying. It's not layering one independent thing above the other, which was the problem at the time. So now let's see if we can, because it's an extra window, if we can't just minimize it and do the same again, right? So we need a light in the same place. I believe it was a point light. Could be wrong, but it should be okay. In the same place, and now it's not stacked, it's not nested inside a friend. I think we've got that there. I wonder if I've lost it on position because I'm terrible at refinding things if I don't plot them. Can I zoom out? Yeah, but it sure is. If I re-click it, maybe I'll find the right one. Whoa. So that's where that is. Right, now where are they in relation to each other? Oh gosh. It might be because they're now not on the same graph. Actually, maybe I can bring that in to somewhat near it. Is that nested it? Hey! You know it's nested it. This is the obstacle I was trying to overcome. See if I can drag it into the root instead. Or out. You don't want to attach it, that's the point. You want it to be on its own, on its own, on its own. Here we go again. Alright, so same place. Let's try seeing what the next solution possibly is. if this is too long, I'll cut it. For one, I don't think I can post this. That's the tutorial. Leave that one alone. We'll leave the videos for now because class view. We got there. That bit's in. That bit was somewhat self-explanatory. Okay, so that one wasn't the one. Marking documents. Place mode enabled. Okay, so that one was a box in the viewport. Details, rotation. Oh, location is there, transform. Let me see if I can reset them that way for a start. So location is 0. Oh, it is 0. Oh, because now I've dragged it in, haven't I? So maybe now it's, I can add it to the same place. So if we say this one that I'm looking at is, nope. Yes, right, scale. I can't see a location. That's really interesting to me. I wasn't dreaming that. It's a nice change. That's only the scale. Stationary can be changed and enables cached lighting methods. None of that gives it a position. Oh, can I search it to see if there's a position hidden? I say weird, I'm brand new. The closest I came to working with this was Unity 3D in uni, and also Construct 2, which I know, but this isn't. This is just a 3D graph, so 3D space. So maybe the closest is Illustrator in Unity. But it's I really cannot see a position. I've searched it, that still doesn't come up unless it's under settings. Is it there? Parent class. That might be what I was after. So if I go to point light, doesn't have one. Does this have? This also doesn't seem to have. Oh, defaults. Parent class is point light. Brilliant. Okay, that's what we want. Now, if we open foliage, can we drag? Go to class settings, and we just go to reparent blueprint. Or would that just make the point light there? Okay. We want it to basically not have a parent class that's not itself. It's called point light. So it might just be under light again. Light. There you go. Yes. Blueprint bad. Okay, that was not the way to do it. Undo. There we go, it's back. Looks like it's separate again. Now undo again. So it doesn't have a parent. Which one am I clicked on? Oh gosh. Undo. Undo, edit. Yeah, I just want to undo the link again. How is it still showing? Oh, because I'm on that. Wait, what? Cancel. If I double click that. Oh, because I'm not actually on it. Okay. Ignore me. Gosh, I'll need to turn this a lot. Let's find it again. This is why I would love to go 0, 0, 0, 0, because I just lose things. I don't know if it's because it's a wireframe and there's no light. If I can find, if anyone can see, yeah, you know. Okay. Move the camera a little bit. Alright, so now I've zoomed out, can I pan it across? See you, Dad. This is going to be fun. Also, yeah, it is set a bit darker than normal because I do have somewhat sensitive eyesight. What have I done to it? X is across and Y is down. Yes, okay, so that's... Wow. No, that's the 3D space. No. There we are. Okay, I've totally lost all semblance of where I am. Oh! I can see it top down. Now can I see it? If I re-click, will it navigate to it? It sometimes does. And I like when it does. Select and translate. No. It does. Right. Delete this one and put it in again. Some of the assets are still referenced in memory in the undo history. Oh yeah, no, that's fine. I don't need to undo it. I think that one's barely hanging on. But it's that's at the right place as much as you can get a place on this. Here we go again. Right, we're in there. Window, Developer Tools under General. To Class Viewer, to add foliage, it said. Because it was under Static Foliage Actor. Okay. And to create a blueprint class in the same folder. Yes. I wonder if I can now link them by the nodes instead. Because they were meant to be nearby, but I don't think they're meant to interact yet. Well, they for sure weren't because he wasn't attaching them. Let's try nodes. Let's try doing this with the nodes. Just menu. Okay, that's just turning it on and off. I can't link that. Because that's another thing I did yesterday. I accidentally turned the nodes on once they were already linked, and then I couldn't clear it that way either. This was when they were already parented, to be fair. I thought I might be able to redirect, but no, cannot. Okay, so let's see, we've got two separate things. Next solution. Wrong one, that's his course. That's really cool, isn't it? Location, add the lights and drop it on top. Translation, so you can click it away. Is this an actor? Oh, it is. I was just placing it straight in the level. Oh no, because we're asked to add it through Blueprints class. That's why it's behaving differently, not just in the level. Right. Yeah, we do have elements. But we have been asked to use it through Blueprint class, and I'm sure there's a reason for that. So let's see. Blueprint casting. Huh. No. Access multiple blueprints and modify them. Several lights. Cast to your light blueprint. Access a specific child. Does that mean I can remove parental links? Well, I tried that, it just deleted it. That could just mean I have not got the right way around. Let's see where it says the child. No, it doesn't. Okay.